Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, I really need to get this all set up again. Here we are going on to the final tutorial of the one and done. And I think it's Skin Show Pink Dawn is the last one I'm going to do today. And I'm going to do this on top of it as well, the Marc Jacobs sequence, Smash Glitz sequence. Yeah, it's a glittery eyeshadow and it's so beautiful. So this is the shade. Beautiful, I know. There's actually a lot of product in here. I think I have this one in a dark 3.5 grams. That's a lot. So let me go ahead and prep my eyes and we are going to get into this last tutorial. And I think from here I'm probably going to do a little bit more of I kind of want to do a foundation focus tutorial of how to do it for men and women, of how I would do it for men and women, how I do it for my photo shoots and stuff like that, but we shall see. Because I think I also want to get into the Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette again, because last year I think I only did about, I don't think that many tutorials on it because I was just really trying to rush it and go through it. So we will see about that, but you guys might see that in a couple of months or something like that. So we'll see how I go with things. But let me go ahead and prep my eyes, get this ready, and we will get into it. All right, so the eyeshadow or the eyeshadow primer is done. I hope they look like sisters. Jesus. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna just deal with it. I'm gonna go in with Fleur first and just kind of whisper it up there. Since we are using the Skin Show Pink Dawn, just really get this up in here. This is such a beautiful wash of color. Oh, it's starting to rain. This is the summers in the Netherlands, and I think for the next 2 weeks it's going to be like this. So great lighting for sure, but I do miss the sun. I miss my color tan. Oh, this is such a beautiful. It looks like it's going to be really warm and a punch of color, but because it is a balm, it gives a nice wash of color. Remember, not cream, but a balm. Balm. And I love this brush. I think I definitely want to buy 1 or 2 more of this. Maybe for a holiday. We shall see. Alright, so that is on. Now next, I'm just going to go ahead and do the Skin Show Pink Dawn. With my finger and just go ahead and wash that all over the lid. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is such a beautiful color. And just up into the brow bone, whatever's left for both sides. And I don't think we can, I don't think I'm going to do a wing liner today. Just going to keep it as this. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. No, I think I'll keep it like this. So there we go. And that blush just gives a hint of color. Now into the Marc Jacobs sequence. Let me go ahead and go in with just my finger. Just to get that foil effect with this. We are living. We are living in the moment. We are making the moment. We are the moment. And we are just going to live with this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh, sorry. So this is where we are at. This is what we are doing. Now, do I really want to? It's just a one and done. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. Do my mascara. Maybe a wing. No, we'll see. We'll be back in 1 minute. All right, so this is where we are at. I went ahead and used the Estee Lauder's, what is it called? Stay All Day Double Wear Stay in Place Eye Pencil in Coffee number 2, just to give a little bit of a depth. I didn't want to do black because I just wanted this to be a little bit more subtle. Dark Star Mascara, still going strong with this little sample of it. So this actually has been lasting me through quite a few looks. So yeah. And I think for face, I'm going to continue using the Dior, what do you call it? Still gonna keep using these. I'll probably do them together because I like to look a little bit more tan. But yeah, this is where we are at. This is what we got. And I think the pink with that Marc Jacobs sequence is actually really beautiful. Great combination. And I think I'm going to use the Pink Dawn as highlighter as well. Fleur as blush. And I think I'm going to use a blush from Pat McGrath. Question is, which one? Do I want to do the dual ones or do I want to do the singles? I know that came out a little bit warm. And we'll go into Divine Rose too, actually, for blush today. So we shall see how that comes out. All right, well, let me go and do the rest of my face and then you guys will see the final look. All right, so this is where we are at with complexion so far. I really do like the way this foundation really sets. It's like a beautiful matte. And I actually have Givenchy's powder on just like the high points of my face mainly. I have the Pat McGrath, this one, under my eyes to really try to conceal, but to set it under the foundation. So now we are gonna go into this Pink Dawn, Skin Show Pink Dawn. Use it as a highlighter. Oof. This is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And just go ahead and just, whew. This definitely has some punch, that's for sure. Oh, beautiful. Now going in with Fleur on top of that. And let's just go ahead and slowly start to build it up. I actually really love these. Oh, because I actually love the look they did for the Prada menswear, I believe, for fall. It was just all about skin, and I think some of them had a hint of these cream blushes on, which was beautiful. I mean, cream blushes, color bombs on as well, just to give a subtle hint of a flush of color, which was beautiful. And I'm thinking of doing a tutorial like that, inspired by it, with all the Pat McGrath stuff I have. Just mainly because a lot of tutorials are not really geared towards guys, so I figured I'd start making some tutorials for men's makeup, just in case there's other aspiring makeup artists out there who don't know how to, or where to start when it comes to men's makeup. Now for bronzer, I'm gonna go into Desert Glow from Pat McGrath, just to have a whisper of color. There we go. Just to bring some warmth to this face. And then I'm gonna go on with Divine Rose 2 to kind of bring it all together. I love this bronzer. I do think a lot of Pat McGrath, her formulations are just beautiful. So, Desert Glow, now Divine Rose 2. And I want to see if I could just get the outer edge of it first. No, screw it. Let's do the whole thing. Oh, it does. There we go. More in the background mainly. And just punch it up. Pump, 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 pump it up. Oh, it's almost like a baby pink. Right up into the brow bone, bring it out, right under. Oh, I just love this. Pink, pink, pink. Gorge, gorge, gorge. But I just love how it's just so warm. I adore it. I completely adore it. All right, so let me go and finish up the rest of my face, lips, and set it, and brows, and you will see the final look. All right, so this is the final look. Skin Show Pink Dawn, with a little bit of Marc Jacobs. Quite a few blush layering aspects with Pat McGrath. Lip is still the Dior Ultra Care in 639 with the Rose Fire Nectar on top. For my skin tone, I really do love this type of a nude look. But yeah, the final one and done. I mean, as a blush, I mean, as a highlighter, the Skin Show Pink Dawn, I love it. It's just so beautiful. Brows are still Benefit, Give Me Brown 4.5. So this is very like, it's very warm, which I like. And the pink is just such a staple. Can never go wrong with pink. But the right kind of pink, the right tone of pink, the right warmth of pink, or the right coolness of a pink, it really it makes a huge difference. So as usual, go ahead and go to my Instagram page to see the final look. This is definitely wrapping up this quad focus. Maybe I should do a quad focus on the Nirvana Astral one. Ooh, that would be good. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah, I mean, oof, it's just so beautiful. Maybe I should have done dark brown. I should do a series of pinks and browns from my collection and just incorporate so many different types of pinks, different types of browns from different brands. And yeah, the skin, it matches, kind of. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have this quad, yeah, pull it out. You definitely, I think I did about 6 tutorials on the quad focus and then 4 of the one and done. So yeah, there's definitely quite a lot you could do with this quad. Like I said, it's definitely a complementary quad to everything else that Pat McGrath has. And it just seems like a redundance of everything. But it's, like I said, it's familiar, but it's still new, which is nice. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you on the next one, and we'll see where we're gonna go from here. And looking forward to really getting more into holiday looks again. A lot of glitter, a lot of glitz and glam. But I will see you guys next video. Ooh, I just really love this. And ciao for now.